The question mark. The question mark is used when we ask something. Tolan Miss had given you all so many words which were questions like what, where, which, how, when. These words are mostly used in questions. They are not always questions. They are used in statements too. But when we ask something, we use this question mark. When we are reading, for us to know that it is a question, this mark is important. When we speak, we can understand with our tone whether we are asking a question or we are stating something. Like mommy is asking, where are you going? So you know that it is a question. Okay. The next one is an exclamation mark. This exclamation mark is not used very often. But when we speak, we use that exclamation tone. Like when mama makes something very interesting to eat. Suppose she makes your favorite food. What is your favorite food? Maybe it's pav bhaji. So when mommy makes pav bhaji, you say, wow, mommy has made pav bhaji. So when you use wow, you have to use this exclamation when you write. Or you say, oh, we are going for a picnic. So after you say oh, you use the exclamation mark. It is showing some surprise, it shows anger, it shows pain. If you are angry, you say, oh, why have you taken my things? Or if you are feeling sad, you say, I am feeling very sad. So when we use the word which shows our emotion, it is used, this exclamation mark is used. Next one is the apostrophe. The apostrophe is not used very often. It is used sometimes. This is an apostrophe. It is used on top. It looks like a comma. The comma is used at the bottom of the sentence, but the apostrophe is used on top. It is used to show possession or ownership. Like this is Usha's umbrella. So instead of writing Usha is umbrella, we are writing Usha apostrophe S umbrella. We use the apostrophes to separate the syllables. Okay. Like I can't come for the picnic. So we write CAN apostrophe T. Instead of cannot, we are using can't. So instead of writing the whole word NOT not, we put an apostrophe and we write just T. So it is separating the sentence when we are not using the complete words. It separates the word. The next one is a hyphen. A hyphen is just a small dash. It is used to separate two words. They are called compound words like knowledge, blackboard. So to show you that it is used together but they are two separate words, we use a hyphen. And there is the inverted comma. We use it to show direct speech. So when we use an inverted comma, we are using the exact words which someone has spoken. You cannot change the words. Once you use inverted commas, you have to use the same words which that person has said. So inverted comma is used for direct speech. When we write what that lady said or what the boy said, then we use the inverted comma. So these are our punctuation marks. The use of punctuation marks makes reading fun, makes reading understandable. It makes your understanding of the topic easy. Without punctuation marks, you would not know where to stop. You would not know who is asking a question. You would not understand the emotions that the person is having about what he is writing. Now I shall send you some exercises. Please complete these exercises and send them back to me. Thank you. Bye bye. Be good.